Creating a natural and rock-made fire pit can be a fantastic addition to your outdoor space. Here are some creative ideas to inspire your project. Circular stone fire pit. Create a circular fire pit using large round stones or builders. Add a stone sitting wall or stone benches around the pit for a cozy gathering area. Use a fire ring or fire pit liner for safety and to protect the rock from direct heat. Sunken stone fire pit. Dig a shallow sunken pit and surround it with flat stones or pebbles. Incorporate seating by building stone or concrete benches into the design. Fill the center of the pit with decorative fiberglass or lava rocks for a modern look. Rustic river rock fire pit. Use natural river rocks to create a rustic and earthy fire pit. Arrange the river rock in a circular or rectangular shape, interlocking them for stability. Add a metal firing or liner for safety and durability. Stacked stone fire pit. Stack large irregularly shaped stones or fieldstones to create a rustic and textured fire pit. You can vary the height and placement of the stones for an artistic look. Consider adding a built-in stone grill for cooking over the fire. Multi-tiered stone fire pit. Build a multi-tiered fire pit using different sizes of stones. Create multiple levels or tiers within the pit, giving it a unique and visually appealing design. Each tier can serve as a sitting area or a place to store firewood. Natural rock ledge fire pit. If you have a natural look ledge or outcropping in your yard, incorporate it in your fire pit design. Use the existing rock as the back wall of the fire pit and add complementary stones for the sitting area. The design blends seamlessly with the natural surroundings. Stacked stones chimney. Build a freestanding chimney style fire pit using stacked stones. Create an arched opening for the fire and the chimney like structure for the smoke to escape. This design adds a touch of old world charm to your outdoor space. Mosaic stone fire pit. Enhance your stone fire pit by incorporating mosaic patterns. Flagstone fire pit patio. Design a flagstone patio with a built-in fire pit at its center. Natural stone, water, and fire features. Combine a fire pit with water feature by incorporating a waterfall or stream into the design. Use natural stone builders and rocks to create both the fire pit and water elements. Remember to consider safety when building and using your natural rock fire pit and always follow local fire regulations and guidelines. Additionally, you can personalize your fire pit further by adding lighting, cushions, or landscaping elements to create a welcoming outdoor oasis. Thanks.